Ed's coming in for the knee cut here. We've got one option, which is probably the most common attack from here, which is to spin underneath. Okay, so I can spin towards the back. So when I say spin, we're using the invert. I can spin out towards the back here, looking to take the back. And this is a position we'll cover as well, which is kind of like this, called like a standing crab ride, how to try to attack from the back when we come out through here. I can spin to 50-50, so I can spin and then look to attach to Ed's leg here into the 50-50, which can obviously help me set up leg attacks. We've got an option to go to 70-30 when Ed drops his knee to the mat as I spin. And we can also invert to K-guard on the same side leg. Go through options to free our trap leg, our reverse de la Riva leg here. So anytime we can, if we can free this leg, we can start working into de la Riva and start to attack from there. Okay, so you really want to think of it as an upgrade to, often you've gone from a position with no control with your arms to your opponent going in for a knee cut. You take control of their leg, you can free that now, and now I have control of his leg in an open guard. This is a good upgrade in positioning. I can also potentially free this leg and work to K-guard on the far side here by bringing my hips in, sitting forward, and attaching to a far side K-guard. The invert attacks, we've covered freeing our leg. We also have the option to attach to our opponent's far leg. So if I can make Ed step forward, I can grab his leg and shoot it into a leg entanglement here, like a modified X guard, which could become a sweep or just a leg entanglement position.